Today I'm going to show you how to create ghost trail effect using CapCut. To begin with, here I have a video added to media in CapCut. First of all, let's drag and drop this video to the timeline, play it and see how it looks with no effects. So that's the original video with no ghost trail. And now to add the ghost trail effect on this video, what we need to do first is position the playhead where the ghost trail should start. So I want the ghost trail to start around here. Then split the clip. You can either use shortcuts or click on this button here. Then move the playhead to the point where you want the ghost trail to stop. So I'll stop the ghost trail around here and then cut the clip again. So now that we separated this section here, we need to create a copy. So you can either use shortcuts or if you right click, copy and then paste. Make sure you position this part right above this one so they sit one on top of the other. Then select this part that we just copied, go to speed, then under speed change the speed from 1 to around 0.9, then go to video, find under basic, find blend, expand it, and then change the opacity from 100 to around 20%. And as you adjust the opacity, you will notice that there is a ghost trail. So now if I replay this clip, boom, this is where ghost trail starts, and this is where it finishes. Now, if you wanted to make this a lot smoother and make the ghost trail disappear a bit more smoothly than this, you may have to play with the keyframes, but I'm not going to cover it here in this tutorial. It's a different tutorial to cover keyframes. But this is the basic ghost trail effect that you can add to your video. Or if you wish to add ghost trail on your entire video, you don't really need to make the cuts. All you have to do is just make the copy of this entire video and then follow the same steps to change the speed and opacity. And that would be it for this tutorial. So I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.